Alright guys, welcome to Knifetown Reviews. Today we're reviewing the Gear 8 Explorer. We're going to go over the contents and the kit itself. Make sure to stick around till the end of the video to find out about our free giveaway for our new channel, Knifetown Reviews. Let's get started. The first thing you'll find when you open this is the Gear 8 Guide for the repair kit. This is pretty useful. It goes over repairs for sleeping pads, for tents, sewing tips, repairs for boots and tent poles. Very useful. It's great to have. We have a couple buttons and some thread, some needles, and some safety pins to go along with that. A few needles and some safety pins. We have 4 zip ties. These are a good thing to have. A small roll of duct tape. A 1/4 ounce of seam grip. This is awesome to have if your pack rips or tears. This can get you home without all your stuff falling out. You have a strap. Let's see how long that is. Another good thing to have. And here we have about 4 different buckles and a clip for your pack. These are great to have right here. We have some material for repairing a screen on your tent. We have 3 clean wipes. Some more material here for your tent. We have a glue stick for melting down, helping with repairs. These are great right here. We have 2 clean removable patches. And then we have 2 tenacious tape patches. Tenacious tape is great for your tent repairs, pack repairs, everything. This is awesome to have. And that sums it up for the contents. The pack itself, in case you guys were wondering, it is not waterproof. It is water resistant. I did dunk it in water and it stayed fairly dry, so that's a pretty good result. I was not expecting that. And that's it for the Gear 8 Explorer. For our free giveaway, in case you guys were wondering, once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we will be giving away a piece of gear and a knife from my personal collection. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.